Just a couple problems from example 4 here. We need to solve and justify these two-step equations by combining like terms. If we think about this equal sign, we can think about this entire left side as being just an expression. So this whole thing over here is just an expression. The equal sign separates two expressions. It's a statement that the two are the same. So this is an expression over here as well. If we work only on one side of the equal sign, we can do all of the things that we could do with expressions, like combining like terms or the distributive property, those kind of things, and simplifying. So let's see if we can just simplify this 7x minus 4x. Got to figure out if there are like terms. There's an x here to the first power, an x here to the first power, so we are allowed to combine these. If you have 7 xylophones and you take away 4 xylophones, you have 3 xylophones left. We need to keep that variable there. You don't have 3 xylophones squared left, or the x doesn't disappear. It's a common misunderstanding that when you take 7x minus 4x, you just get 3. Well, you still have 3 of that thing. We didn't do anything to the right side, so it's just 21. I'm going to write combine like terms here. And in the future, we'll abbreviate this with just CLT. Now we'll divide by 3, and x will be 7. Our justification would be divide by 3, or if you prefer, you could also say that this is the division property of equality. With the one on the right hand side, it's going to be the exact same thing. Yes, the variable is different, but 8t and negative 3t are like terms. So 8t minus 3t is 5t. That's equal to 35, and I really have to accentuate my italics here for these t's because my t's tend to look like plus signs, so kind of bear with me here as I write that funny looking shape there. Looks more like a character in a different language other than a t, but that's what it is. Then we'll divide by 5 here, and t is going to be 7. So from this step to this step, all we did was combine like terms. Remember, that means combine like terms, CLT, and then we divided by 5 on each side.